You got me?
Okay, yep, we're videoing.
I'm telling you, boy. Want my hair? I'm 60 years old. I've been 60 for 2 weeks now. It doesn't feel any different yet. I know what y'all got me.
Hurry up and open it. What?
Candles. And I love them. Okay. How does this? I didn't even look at it. Oh, don't they smell good? This is pretty. Well, you want to help me get into it? Oh, here we go. Oh. These are going to look good in my kitchen. I think that's where I'm going to put them. Where's the top? Oh, this didn't have a top. That's the only one with a top. Yeah, aren't these pretty? You know, they kind of look like a sugar bowl.
Uh-huh.
And I'm going to do
That one's...
Aren't they pretty?
What is this?
And I'm going to do them like that. See, that's got a top on it. Like a pumpkin.
Man, I smell them.
Ow, stop.
They're strong.
Oh,
I smell them even out here.
Aren't they good and strong?
Smell.
Well, it's a better home than garden. Oh, you got my keys?
You better give her a hug.
Where's my key? Give me a hug. Give me a hug. You're taller than me. Look how tall he is.
I know it.
You got